Hello and welcome. Here's another video about Simware, software for running the day-to-day operations of senior move management companies. This video provides a brief introduction to the Invoice Manager in Simware. For a general overview of Simware, please see our introductory video at our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Simware. Okay, let's begin. The listing page for invoices includes filtering based on client or job or date range. From here you can also create a new invoice by selecting the job and then simply clicking on Create New Invoice. Below is a list of invoices in the system. Here you can see the different levels of status, starting with preliminary, moving to finalized, team leader approved, and then sent to client and paid. You can also see the button Add QBO, which stands for QuickBooks Online. You can add an individual invoice to QuickBooks Online, or you can use the button at the top, QBO Add All, which adds multiple invoices, copying them over to QuickBooks Online. Here we are looking at an individual invoice. Invoice numbers have a main section, which is sequential, and then it has a prefix and a suffix, which can be customized. Invoices can be of two types: a flat amount. A flat amount invoice is useful as a down payment, for instance, where it's not the amount of the invoice is not related to any line items of work that's already been done. An invoice has a start date and an end date, and you generate the invoice by first setting these dates and then clicking the refresh button. The system will go out looking for any applicable line items and bring them into the invoice. As a separate measure, you still need to use the save button. An invoice can have an adjustment. So for instance, if you break an item belonging to the client, you can negotiate a fee and enter an amount here to have it subtracted from the invoice. You'd probably also wish to put an explanation for the invoice adjustment down in the public notes. You'll notice that there are two notes fields. One is for inclusion on the invoice. It's the public note here. There's also a private note here, which, as you can imagine, does not appear on the invoice. Down below are the line items. You'll notice that the descriptions are editable. Editing them here affects the description back at the original line item, where the associates enter their time and hours. Let's take a look at an invoice that has already been approved. Here you will see that the descriptions are no longer editable now that it's been finalized. There are some additional levels of status: sent to client, overdue, and paid. And you'll also notice the new buttons at the top: Print Summary and Print Detail. Clicking on them brings up a PDF. The summary version is a short one that does not include individual line items. You can save this PDF to your local hard drive. You can email that to your clients, or if they're not using email, you can send it via US Postal. Let's take a look at the detail PDF. Which now includes all of the line items. that concludes our brief introduction to invoice management within Simware. To find out more, you can see additional videos at youtube.com/simware, or you can visit our website at www.simware.com, or you can call us at 240-285-4619 with questions or to arrange for a demo. To be notified of new videos as they are added, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Simware is an industry partner with NASM, the National Association of Senior Move Managers. We appreciate your time and hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.